Hi there. Today's question is, how much money will a nursing home take from you if you're on Medicaid? This was submitted to me through my website. How much money will a nursing home take from you or require to be paid if you are on Medicaid? So yeah, let's talk about nursing homes all have a bill, right? In Florida, the average is closing in on $10,000 per month. In South Florida, we see it sometimes higher than that, more like $11,000, $12,000 per month. So someone's got to pay that bill. And if you have significant assets and you don't come to an elder law or Medicaid planning attorney like myself to help protect those assets, you're going to be paying for that privately. Unless you have long-term care insurance, then there are some other sources as well, but most people are eventually paying for that privately. If you qualify for Medicaid, for what's called their Institutional Care Program or ICP program, the deal with Medicaid is as follows. All of your income less $130, that's what's referred to as a personal needs allowance, but all of 100% of your income from all sources, whether it's Social Security, rental income, pension income, IRA distributions, right? All income sources are all going to that facility. You keep $130 and then Medicaid pays the difference. The only other exception to that is if you are married to a spouse that is not in a nursing home, then there is a way to divert a sum or all of your income to what's called a community spouse, and there are whole separate rules that go along with that, and those are typically referred to as the minimum monthly maintenance needs allowance as far as income is concerned, and the community spouse resource allowance as far as assets are concerned. But essentially, the rule of thumb is all your income minus $130, whether it's going into an income trust, and that's a subject for another video as well, or not, but it's all eventually winding up at that facility, and that's how much they're paid. And again, if most people who come to me, their incomes are between maybe $1,000 and $4,000 a month, and if Medicaid is picking up the difference, the remainder of a $10,000 or $11,000 monthly bill, that's still a pretty good deal. Hope that answers the question. Thank you very much for submitting it.